the hope of a gardener, that this tiny seed will someday produce enough food to fill this bowl. Hi, thanks for joining me today. I am really excited because I am going to be starting some Red Malabar spinach seeds. These particular seeds came from my gardener. I like Malabar spinach because the flavor is very mild, but the leaves are very juicy and thick. However, I have not had the best luck growing it, so this year will be my third year trying to grow it, and I'm hoping for better success this year. I'm actually going to start some extra seeds. Instead of just a few, I'm going to actually plant an entire tiny little jiffy tray, like I start most of my seeds. We're going to go ahead and get that started, and then I will talk a little bit more about the Red Malabar spinach. All right. Okay, while these expand, the Red Malabar spinach actually is a vine. So it's a vining spinach and it needs to be trellised. In past years, I have not gotten it to be tall enough to need a trellis. Last year, I probably had the best success that I've had in the last couple of years that I've tried to grow it. It actually did get about a foot tall, and I was able to harvest a few leaves off of it. A very beautiful vine. The stem is red, and then the leaves are kind of a deeper green. So they'll be very, very pretty. It'll be exciting. Go outside, sit on the deck, and harvest a salad. We'll keep our fingers crossed and you follow along, and I'll give you updates along the season. I'm starting these Red Malabar spinach seeds in the smallest size jiffy pods. They're about fully expanded now. I'm going to open the little nets on the top and I'm going to plop my seeds in there. These seeds are a little bit bigger. You can see there, they're not super tiny and they're mostly round. Okay. Now I'm going to take the little pod, I'm going to pinch it closed and cover the seeds with the seed starting mix. Perfect. Now I'm going to label these seeds. And if you follow along in some of my garden update videos or walk along videos, I will actually keep you updated on how these seeds and many other seeds are doing. Thanks for watching.